How to change currency on the Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change currency on Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change currency on Amazon app, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Then after you've done that, tap the three lines option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings, and then just go to country and language. Once you go to country and language, you can see country or region, language, and you can see currency. Now by default, depending upon what country you choose, the currency is going to get changed automatically, so you don't have to do anything. But still, if you only want to change currency without having to change the country, then you can select currency option, and now you can simply select any of the other currencies that you like from the list. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically change currency on Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.